In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Figma experience by using the Photo P plugin to make quick edits to images in your project. This tool is especially handy if you often find yourself needing to refine images without switching between different software, streamlining your workflow and making the process much more efficient. Let's dive right into it. Suppose you're working on a design project in Figma, and you've got an image that needs a few tweaks, whether it's adjusting brightness, adding a filter, or maybe fine-tuning some other specific details. Photo P has got you covered. Start by ensuring your desired image is selected within your Figma project. This is simple. Just click on the image to highlight it. Once selected, you'll be ready to initiate the Photo P plugin. To do that, head over to your Figma menu plugins section and locate the Photo P plugin. Upon running it, you'll notice your image will load straight away into the Photo P interface. It's remarkably seamless, allowing you to jump into editing without any delay. Now, you have a vast array of editing tools at your disposal, very similar to what you might expect from high-end professional software. Whether you need to crop, retouch, or adjust colors, this is your moment to make those enhancements. Go ahead and make the necessary changes, and take your time to experiment with the variety of tools available. The interface is user-friendly, so don't hesitate to explore and get creative with your edits. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save. A great feature of the Photo P plugin is its integration back into Figma. Simply pressing Save will automatically apply all your adjustments to the original image within your Figma project. This real-time update ensures that your project reflects the changes instantly, keeping your workflow uninterrupted and smooth. That's really all there is to it. The Photo P plugin is a fantastic asset for anyone looking to efficiently edit images directly within Figma. It's quick, it's convenient, and it definitely simplifies your design process. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, having this tool at your disposal could significantly enhance your productivity and creative capabilities. Thanks for joining me today to explore this useful plugin. Remember, keeping your design process integrated and streamlined is invaluable. And with tools like Photo P, you can achieve just that within Figma. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And until next time, keep designing with ease and creativity.